You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? The name of this city in the Basque country of Spain, famous painting by Pablo Picasso, or in Spanish Pablo Picasso. If you want to learn more names of famous paintings, stay tuned. The Spanish pronunciation here: Guernica Pablo Picasso. Not Guer. Guernica. The Basque pronunciation is similar as well. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.